Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some information about our 2001 to 2006 12-inch Gixxer 1000 Swingarm Extensions. Alright, so as with all of our Swingarm Extensions, we have two finish options. We have the raw aluminum and the black powder coat here with the option to have the Gixxer logo engraved onto it. For our 01 and 02 models, these are the only two models for the 12-inch to get this. They'll come with this brake bar eliminator. All this does is it sits on top of this right side extension. Your caliper is going to bolt to this here, keep it from moving back and forth or rocking, anything like that. For your 03 to 06, it is going to come with a brake plate that looks just like this. It's going to mount up right here, and your caliper is going to slide right in there. Keeps it for the same purpose as this, keeps it from moving back and forth. Alright, so what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm Extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard chains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, if I could pick these up, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. As with all of our products that we make here, it's a lifetime no BS warranty. If there's ever any problems, please don't hesitate to reach out, give me a call. And I think that will wrap up our 2001 to 2006 Gixxer 1000 12-inch.